like spy what he is trying to explain me. Because now the thing is that in the market, we have lots of bluff and fake people are there. They used to tell you the bluff products and all the things like that. They won't work. There's like a tablet of normal like atta, you means like a like flour. Just they earn the money, you won't get results. So like that only, because as a doctor, my lots of marketing persons approach me. So same thing, my Bashir sir is there. He approaches me at my clinic in the evening time. So he explained me about all the things like the products and all the things, the iPulse, iCoffee, iSlim, iCharge, and iGlow. So the thing is that about the business plan also, I told him like, sir, 3,101 product. This is old city, Hyderabad. We can't bear like that. So he said like, okay, no problem, sir. But good testimonials are there. You can see the 4th stage lung cancer. You know the 4th stage lung cancer means the end stage. End stage. After that, you have to go up. So he showed me the results on the YouTube. You can also see if you put like a iPulse 4th stage lung cancer. So he showed me the result: 3rd stage blood cancer, piles, psoriasis, leukoderma, vertigo, asthma, lots of things are there. So I said to him like, okay, you can carry on, sir. I'll inform you if I want to join the business. I'll inform you. After he went, I researched because as a doctor, I won't believe on all these stuff. As a doctor, I research and see. I have seen the Acai Berry documentary. What are the health benefits are there? Everything I researched. After that, sir once again approached me. He said, sir, what do you think about the business? I said to him, leave about the business. First, I use these products at my home. If I got the results, then I will think about the business. So first thing, I have started using it. I have given to my wife, my family members, my brother, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my brother-in-law also. I got the results from my wife, result is in 10 days only. 10 days. And my mother-in-law and father-in-law 10 to 15 days. I have prescribed these to my patient, just opposite to clinic. He got the results in just 4 days. Only 4 days. See, only 4 days. Leave about all this. In my home, my grandfather is more than 70 years of age. More than 70 years of age. He has kidney stone and cerebellum hemorrhage. You know the brain has 2 parts, cerebrum and cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part which holds your mobility. You stand like this. He got hemorrhage in that part. Only in 1 dose, 30 ml dose, he got the result. I get shocked, alhamdulillah. See, these are not the normal products like that. We are not making in the here in the Hyderabad Begum Bazaar market. No. There's something else. After that, I have joined 5th August, this 2019. In 1.5 to 2 months, myself and my patients has lots of results. Myself, I have 8 to 10 results of my patient and my home. See, that is the thing is there. My baby result is 1.5, 1.8 years old. Irregular bowel movement. People like the child used to like this and squeeze and do the motion like that, na? Because due to the more presence of fiber in it, they have like in 1 hour only I got the result. My baby has slept very good. And my grandfather, only in 1 dose, he used to pass the urine on the beds daily. He used to pass the urine daily. So one time what happened, my father had 1 iPulse over 1 bottle. Second he started. What he done, he has given just 30 ml of iPulse to my grandfather one day. He didn't inform me, he didn't ask me also. I asked him after the 4 or 5 days, how is grandfather? Oh, he is fine, he is not taking the food. But the thing is that I have given in iPulse 4 days back that urination has polyuria. You can call it polyuria, frequent urination. He said, I got a result in only 1 dose, 30 ml dose. 30 ml dose. After this, I got serious into this business. Now I say I have involved in this 100%. 100% involved in this project. As a doctor, if you want to meet me personally, you have any questions as a part of business points, any product points, I'll explain you as a doctor. See, lots of results are there. First, get confident, you have to use it. See, if we get the results in home, we get confident about the taste, about the results, about everything, how to use it, what you feel after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, everything is there. See, first use it. First use it. These products, Indus Viva products, all the 5 products are not the products of other companies like that. This no. It has another dream, another thing. Other than that, first use it. Automatically you will involve in this business like me. Because I have started as a usage. I didn't come as a business person in this company. As a doctor. Okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.